Hey everyone, welcome back. Getting an unsupported card error in Klarna while trying to add a new card, or Klarna just won't accept your card declines no matter what you enter them. Here is the fix. First, confirm that the card you're adding is a Visa or Mastercard. Klarna does not accept all types of card, and American Express cards are not supported on most Klarna's products. If you're adding a supported card type and still getting an unsupported card error, check that there are no space or typos in the card number, since Klarna's input field does not always format numbers automatically. After confirming the details, force close the Klarna app completely from your recent apps and tap reopen it and try adding the card fresh on a new session, since the error can sometimes be a stuck from stale rather than an actual rejection of the card. If it still fails, go to the settings app, then go to general iPhone storage, find Klarna, tap on it and tap Offload app. Go to your app store and reinstall it fresh from there before trying again. If the issue persists after reinstalling, contact your card issuer to confirm that card supports online and third-party apps transactions, since some bank-issued cards have restrictions that block them from being added to financial apps. So, all you gotta do is confirm it's a Visa or a Mastercard, check for typos, force close and retry fresh, and reinstall if it's still blocked. And call your bank if the card has transaction restrictions, and that's it. Subscribe.